Meaning of genetic fingerprint.
Genetic fingerprint.
Genetic fingerprint.
Genetic fingerprint.
Genetic fingerprint. A genetic fingerprint is a unique pattern of DNA molecules that serves as an individual's genetic identification. This pattern is highly specific to each individual and can be used in various fields such as forensics, biology, and medical genetics. It involves analyzing small sections of a person's DNA sequence to identify specific regions where variations occur, which can differentiate individuals from one another. This information can be used to identify or rule out suspects in criminal cases, determine genetic relationships between individuals, and diagnose genetic diseases. The technology behind genetic fingerprints has revolutionized the field of forensic science and greatly improved our ability to solve crimes and understand human genetics.